Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do the winner's drawing, the birthday giveaway winner's drawing. I had a call out for this giveaway because, well, it was my birthday, and you should post below the video with the hashtag birthday giveaway, and that's one condition. And the second is you needed to be a member of the Facebook group. So I checked all the entries, and I also checked all the names of the people if they are a member of the Facebook group, and some of you are not. So yeah, I'm really sorry about that, but you are not included in the name picker wheel because that were the two conditions you had to meet in order to be in this name giveaway. Well, not a name giveaway, in a name picker wheel for this birthday giveaway. I also had planned to work on a paper bag, stuffed paper bag thing. But yeah, I told you in a previous video, my mother-in-law wasn't doing right, not doing well, and they weren't sure if it was just, well, a bad day or 2 bad days in a row. Maybe she would be better after a few days, but well, today we had a talk, and she is in the final part of her life. So yeah, it will end, I don't know when, but it will end days, maybe weeks, something like that. So we had a lot of things to discuss and to arrange, and family to inform. So we also visited her, of course. So I'm exhausted because of all the things happening, and I did want to finish this stuffed bag thingy, but I'm afraid I will not be able to make it. I will try and work on it after I did this giveaway video, just to relax, and if I did, I will show you the results. But we also have the third week coming up, making the piano roll thingy as a challenge, something like this. So I also have to prepare a video for that. And I thought, well, I did show you how I made my version of the stuffed paper bag. Okay, this is stuck. What happened? But this is my piano roll thing. And so in order to keep the challenge going, I am going to try and make this video as soon as possible, so it's there, so I can show you in the 3rd week. So yeah, I'm really sorry I'm not able to finish my own challenge. The paper bag, stuffed paper bag, but yeah, there are more important things in life than a stuffed paper bag. But I did a great job already, because all you have to do now is put stuff in and maybe add a pocket on here. I did want to do something with wax thread over here and a label. Maybe I'm going to finish it anyway. I will try and do my best, as long as it I will try to finish it maybe after this video, like I said, if I want to just have a little crafty time with no distress thingies. And but usually I always video everything I do, but in this case I'm not going to do that, so please forgive me. But I do have the winners, the name picker wheel ready for the drawing, and I'm going to draw 3 winners. The first name that I'm going to pick is for 3 digitals. The second name is 2 digitals, and the third name is 1 digital. And after, if you are a winner, your name will be taken out of the wheel. just so you know. So you can't win the third, second and the first prize. It's only one prize and then you're out. So yeah, let me set up the computer and we will do the giveaway thing. One moment, please. Okay, so here we are. Here are all the names, the entries. Like I said, I checked if you are a member of the Facebook group, and if you are not a member, I'm really sorry, but you're not in this wheel, because that was one of the 2 conditions to enter this giveaway. So here we go. And the first prize winner is Cheryl Garris. Congratulations, Cheryl. Send me a messenger text to tell me the kits you want to receive. And I also have to say, you can wait if you only have one kit of your choice at the moment. You can wait until a little later, so when I have new kits in the shop, that's okay too. But just don't forget, because I tend to forget who won prizes, so keep me posted. I'm going to remove your name, and now we are going to do the second drawing for the second prize. 2 kits from my Etsy. Oh no, this is so exciting. And the second prize winner is Suzanne Nicholas. Congratulations, Suzanne. Let me know by messenger which 2 kits you would like to receive. And I'm going to remove your name. And now we are going to spin for the third prize, 1 digital from my Etsy store. Here we go. And the third prize is Sandra Dreyer. Congratulations, Sandra. And for you, the same. Please send me a text message through Messenger and tell me which kit you would like to receive. I'm just going to switch over to the desk now. One moment. So yeah, if you are one of the lucky winners, please send me a message. I did tell you about the situation I'm in with, well, the private stuff, the mother-in-law not doing too well. So it can take me some time to actually answer your messenger text. But if you think it's taking too long, please send a message again. Don't worry about bugging me or something, but I have a lot to arrange at the moment. I tend to forget, because there's also, we have this, well, the Facebook channel is going on, and I have the channel, and I have the Etsy store, but I also have my work, and I have my private stuff, and also preparing for next month. So I am doing stuff, and I'm doing it a little bit more slow than I wanted to. So don't feel bad if you just send me a second message if it takes too long before I even respond. that's totally fine. And if it doesn't fit me at all, I will tell you why I'm not able to send you the kits or anything. So yeah, that's something I wanted to really say and make clear. And thanks everybody for joining in this challenge, of course. And I'm really sorry I wasn't able to film the rest of the paperback thingy. But I think it's good if I keep it simple today. So yeah, this is it for today. Even though you didn't win, I still hope you liked the video. So leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you're not a subby yet and you came across this video, I do more stuff than just doing the giveaway, although I do a lot of giveaways. But it's fun. We do a lot of challenges in a Facebook group. I try to do things together with the Facebook group members, so we are all in it together, although I'm using the YouTube platform to do that. It's also for the Facebook group members, and the birthday giveaway was especially for the Facebook group members. That's why you had to be a member, because I really appreciate your support and the way you are all jumping into every challenge with me. And last month we did the collaboration with Carol Brandon, and it was overwhelming what you all did. So yeah, I really appreciate you being a member of the group. So thank you very much for that, and also being so kind with the messages and telling me you are praying for my mother-in-law or sending me all the best. So yeah, I really appreciate it. That's just something I wanted to say. But yeah, this is it for today. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye. Bye.